Hello and welcome back. Today we're working on some mausoleums to go with our graveyard. First we're going to start out with a couple walls. I'm going to make them one stick less than normal though, just to leave a little bit of extra space. Now that we've got the two long walls, we're going to make a half-size wall. Then we're going to glue the two long walls to the short wall. Now this next piece, there's going to be a couple options, but the first one we're going to do is another one of these half walls. And then this will be the other side, basically, that we're going to attach some stairs to. And this specific one, we're going to just paint a door on. So here we're making some real simple stairs, and eventually we'll attach them to that front half wall. So with this first one, we're just going to give the illusion of a door being there. We're going to kind of draw it on there now and then eventually paint it on as well. Now that we've got the four walls, we're going to make a roof, and there are a couple options here as well. This first one is going to be a pointed roof where two little sides connect at a point at the top. If I was going to do this again, I would lay those on their side down on the cutting board because it was very difficult to get them lined up there. Once I've got the basic shape that I want, I'm going to add some supports on the sides so that the roof will fit on top of our walls so that it doesn't just kind of fall off. So that's what I'm doing here. Now the roof is the reason why I made the walls one size or one stick shorter, because otherwise it gets really tight and it doesn't fit very well at all. So now I'm just closing up the sides to make it look a little better. Doing that to both sides, and then we'll cut off the extra to make it kind of not be so janky. Then we're going to cut off the ends on the walls so that the roof will fit. This is the alternative roof, so it's going to be a flat roof rather than the angled steeped roof. And there you have it. Those are both of the roofs and how they should fit. Mine is a little bit tight on that angled one, but it still works. And that's basically it. That's my little mausoleum tomb thing. It's the easy way to make it, I suppose. But I do have an alternative way to make it a little bit more usable. So we're using the same base 3 walls, and then all we're going to do is we're going to make a new 4th wall. And rather than having the drawn-on door, we're going to make stairs and then an actual door that will lead inside of our mausoleum. Now that we've got the stairs, we're going to put some sticks in to outline where the door should be. And there we have the entrance to our little mausoleum. But if we just leave it there, you'll walk in and fall down, so we're going to make a floor. Now that we've got this floor section, we could technically just kind of let it go and glue it to the sides, but I'm going to give it a little bit more support by making these little, I guess, legs. Then, once everything's glued together, we can put it in and put it all together. Decide which top we want and go from there. So there you have it. Those are some options. I've also made one more that has more stairs, so it's got a higher doorway, which is kind of cool. So now that we're done with our graveyard set, what would you guys like to see next? Comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.